What's up, guys? Welcome back to Intelligent Crypto. Guys, in today's video we'll be looking at 1inch. 1inch is an altcoin currently ranked number 106 on CoinMarketCap, and in this video, guys, I'll be showing you 1inch path to $10. I'll be giving you 5 reasons why I believe 1inch is going to $10. Guys, in the last 1 year, 1inch has gone as low as $1 and has gone as high as $7. But can it get to $10? Guys, we're looking at the 1inch dollar price chart, the 1inch Bitcoin price chart. We'll also be looking at 1inch against Ethereum. Then we'll take a peek at the 1inch market cap chart, and then finally we'll look at the 1inch dominance chart. And guys, with this chart, I'll be showing you why I believe 1inch is going to $10. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So kicking off this video, guys, at the point of recording of this video, 1inch is currently going for $1. It's down 82% in the last 1 year. It's down 34% in the last 1 month, and it's down 11% in the last 1 week. It's still down 15% in the last 1 day, guys. We had a bloodbath in the crypto market. All these altcoins are literally going for cheap right now. You can see Luna is down 51% at point of recording. But let's talk about 1inch. Can 1inch get to $10? Guys, at the point of recording of this video, 1inch has a market capitalization of $448 million. That's less than 500 billion. For it to get to $10, we need to see 1inch has a market capitalization of over $5 billion. Can it get there? The charts will tell us. But first, guys, what's the circulating supply of 1inch? 1inch has over 1.5 billion coins, and you have only 415 million in circulation. The fully diluted market cap of 1inch is 1.6 billion. And guys, you may be wondering, where can I get some 1inch before I show you how to get to $10? Guys, if you want to get some 1inch, you can get it on your favorite exchange. You can get it on Binance, Gate.io, KuCoin, Coinbase, FTX, Hugo Global, Bybit, and anywhere you can get any altcoins, you can get 1inch there. It's very, very important to be able to get these altcoins on all these exchanges because you want to be able to buy and sell them quickly. So let's look at the price chart of 1inch against the US dollar. This is 1inch against the US dollar from 2021 January to where we are right now, and that's 10th of May 2022. And guys, you can see that from January 2021 or December 2020, 1inch had a rise of over 900%, and he did that in just 131 days. And that took 9inch to the top of the crypto market at May 2021 when 1inch was topping around $7.7. The whole crypto market was going to the moon. The total crypto market got above $2.5 billion. Bitcoin was at 64K, Ethereum was at 4,300. Everywhere was kumbaya and we're happy, but then the whole crypto market dumped and 1inch dumped to the closer crypto market. Bitcoin fell to like 29K, Ethereum fell to like 1,700. 1inch was not left out of the dump. 1inch actually dumped from $7 to 1.6. It lost over 78% of its value in just 73 days. So if there's anything you want to take away, guys, that 1inch can pump very hard, it can dump very hard. Before we continue, guys, remember, trading or investing in cryptocurrencies is very risky. Better do your research before you invest in all these projects. There's no guarantee that 1inch will actually get to this price point in the future, but the chart is telling us that it can get there. But after that, when 1inch got to around $1.5, $1.6, it still had a pump again. Look at that. 1inch still pumped with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin got to 29K, Bitcoin went to 64K. 1inch too actually had a pump then. It pumped over 300%, and it went to its previous all-time high. It went to that $7 region. It actually got to 6.9 on CoinMarketCap, but on Binance, it actually crossed $7. So it went back to its previous all-time high, but it couldn't pass the previous all-time high, and then 1inch actually dumped with the whole crypto market. And right now, you can get 1inch for $1. It's down 84% from its all-time high. Now, can it get to $10? If you use the Fibonacci extension tool, guys, to see where 1inch can probably go in the future, if you use the Fibonacci extension tool telling us that for 1inch to get to its 1.618 level of the Fibonacci extension to 1inch should go above $10. Can 1inch do that? Can it come and break this all-time high? As I said, can 1inch go above $7? Only time will tell. But having that reason why it will go above $10, guys, if you look at the 1inch Bitcoin price chart, it's telling us a very, very important story right now. If you want to get some 1inch right now with your Bitcoin, you'll be getting a very, very good deal. The only time in history that 1inch has been cheaper with Bitcoin is when 1inch was launched. This was around January 2021, just before the altcoin market took off right there. The next time was around March 2022, just some months back. And right now, guys, if you're flipping your Bitcoin for 1inch, you'll be getting the most 1inch you can get in the whole of history. And now 1inch is down over 80% on his Bitcoin pairing. Is actually down around 82% on his Bitcoin pairing. Should you get some 1 inch with your Bitcoin, guys? I strongly believe Bitcoin is not going to set a new all-time high. We might see a $50,000 Bitcoin, a $55,000 Bitcoin. Bitcoin can actually get to as high as 58K, but I don't think Bitcoin will be setting a new all-time highs. I think when Bitcoin is going on its retracement, guys, guess what will happen? The altcoin market will be going crazy, and that's what I'm waiting for. Guys, 1 inch is one of those projects I believe will actually pump to the moon. You can see that it has a small market cap here, just 500 million. That's not actually big for crypto. If you think about it, in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, we have so many coins that have market capitalization of over $10 billion. And for 1 inch to just get to $10, we need it to have a market cap of over $5 billion. Is that possible? Very, very possible, guys. Remember, Doge and Shiba Inu have a market cap of over $9 billion, and they're just meme coins. But that's not all, guys. I have another important reason. The 1 inch versus Ethereum price chart is telling us that 1 inch has lost so much value against Ethereum. As a matter of fact, from January 2021, 1 inch has lost over 88% of its value against Ethereum. But now, should you get in some 1 inch with your Ethereum, guys? For my own money, if I have some Ethereum, I'll be flipping into 1 inch right now. I actually believe that 1 inch is going to the moon. Ethereum, just like Bitcoin, has gone on its full run. Ethereum went from $100 to over $4,800. I don't see Ethereum setting a new all-time high. I know some people believe Ethereum is still going to $5,000, $10,000. But guys, I would rather place my bet on coins like 1 inch going to $10. That's a 10x return. That's not too much to ask for, than Ethereum actually going 10x. For Ethereum to 10x from where it is right now, Ethereum is currently trading for over $2,000. Ethereum has to go to over $20,000, and that's why I want to focus on some of these altcoins like 1 inch, because for it to go 10x in price, it just needs to go to $5 billion, and that's very, very, very possible, guys. If you are flipping your Ethereum for 1 inch, for us to get back to the all-time high on the Ethereum pairing, 1 inch will have to pump around 700%. Is that possible? Yes, it's very, very possible. It has done that before. It can do it again. But guys, this is my most important chart for 1 inch that you need to see, and that is the 1 inch market cap chart. The market cap chart is the real chart you want to be looking at. The price chart can actually deceive us, because most times new coins are coming into circulation, but the price chart doesn't factor that in, but the market cap actually does. So the market cap can be increasing and the price will legitimately not be increasing. As more coins are coming into circulation, they will be priced at the current going rate of that token. So if you have more coins in circulation and the price is not increasing, the market cap will still increase, because the market cap is the current price multiplied by the total number of coins in circulation. Guys, you can see that the market cap of 1 inch topped around $1.3 billion. It almost got to $1.4 billion, but it couldn't reach that $1.4 billion. For 1 inch to actually get to $10, we'll need to see 1 inch go to around $5 billion. And if you use the Fibonacci extension tool for 1 inch, if you go from the top that we had in May last year to the bottom of the 1 inch market cap chart, the bottom of 1 inch was around $290 million. You can see right now we're not still at the bottom for 1 inch on the market cap chart. Before we see where 1 inch can go, guys, 1 inch from inception, that's from 2020 December, 1 inch went up over 4,000% on the market cap chart. So when the coin was launched, a lot of 1 inch were not in circulation, so the valuation went up very high. But you could see that there's distribution happening right here. That means a lot of coins are coming into circulation at the same time. The price of 1 inch is not going up. This is the only period in time where the price of 1 inch went up. We didn't have plenty of coins coming in circulation in the first 6 months of 1 inch. After that, you can see that a lot of coins have been coming into circulation, and that's why you can see that the market cap of 1 inch has just been ranging in the last 1 year. Now, for 1 inch to get to $10, guys, we'll need to see 1 inch get to a market valuation of over $5 billion. And for it to reach its full extension from the top that 1 inch got to in May 2021, guys, 1 inch has to pump over 850%, over 840%. And 1 inch pump over 840%, it will carry the market capitalization of 1 inch to around $4.2 billion. And at the point of recording of this video, guys, 1 inch market cap is $4.4 billion, and that's almost a 10x return on initial investment. Can 1 inch do that? Guys, remember, this is just predictions. Don't stake your life savings on this. 1 inch can actually do that. All these altcoins actually pump to the moon when they start pumping. But when they dump, don't forget, they dump very hard. I just showed you guys how we had a huge dump in the crypto market yesterday. See, Luna went from $100 to $20 in less than 3 weeks, guys. It's very, very crazy. Ludo Finance was actually pumping now. Look at it, it's down 36% just in 1 day. So you want to be careful with these cryptocurrencies when you're purchasing them. If you want to buy them, make sure you're in for the long haul. Don't make sure you're just trying to get rich very quickly. You can really get wrecked if you try to do that. Looking at the 1-inch dominance chart, it's telling us almost the same story like the market cap chart. You can see that the 1-inch dominance chart got as high as 0.05% of the total crypto market and has gone as low as 0.02%. Has been waddling between 0.05% and 0.02%. Right now, the point of recording of this video, guys, 1-inch dominance is 0.03% of the total crypto market. We'll be expecting 1-inch to set a new all-time high on the dominance chart if we ever want to see a $10 1-inch, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys. Really important if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Turn on the post notification. You can follow me on all social media platforms on Twitter, Facebook, and Telegram. It's Mr. Legend Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2.